Well, let's talk about the National Herald case because it appears that the law is now finally catching up with the Gandhi Parivar. For the first time in the case so far, as the Congress was asking where exactly is the charge sheet over the years of investigation being done by the Enforcement Directorate, now the ED has directly named Congress MP Sonia Gandhi and the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, as an accused in the National Herald case. Sonia Gandhi, who has been named as accused number 1, Rahul Gandhi named as the accused number 2. Now, as far as the BJP, that has now been hitting out, especially when it comes to calling it that this is a payback time for the looters. Now, even as the Congress party plans nationwide protests, here is the BJP saying that if property worth thousands of crores is captured illegally through conspiracy, then should they remain silent? BJP, meanwhile, has also sought direct answers from Sonia and Rahul Gandhi, who have been named as accused number 1 and 2 respectively in the ED charge sheet.
नेशनल हेरल्ड 1937 में शुरू किया गया था। इसमें 5000 शेयर होल्डर्स थे जिन्हें शेयर खरीदे उसके। तो ये नेहरू खानदान की जागीर कभी नहीं रही है, इस बात को समझना बहुत जरूरी है। उसके बाद कांग्रेस पार्टी ने नेशनल हेरल्ड को 90 करोड़ रुपया दिया था। कांग्रेस पार्टी एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी है, वो किसी प्राइवेट बॉडी को पार्टी का फंड नहीं दे सकते हैं। तो एक बड़े इंटरेस्टिंग तरीके से एक कॉरपोरेट षड्यंत्र किया गया, कैसे ये पूरी संपत्ति आ जाए परिवार के हाथ में।
Well, Nyamika is connected with us. Nyamika, we just heard Ravi Shankar Prasad on part of the BJP there saying that under no pressure that the central agencies work, and this is the investigation that is now nailed directly Sonia and Rahul Gandhi. Karyakartas are expected to hold nationwide protests. Take us through the details, please.
Well, yes, Amita, and we are right now standing outside the AICC headquarters, and I would first like to show you the visuals here that behind me are the workers of the Congress party who are raising slogans against the central government, against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. But the interesting fact here is that if we compare the number of workers with the media persons and the security personnel, then it is the workers who are less in number here who are being present, as it was the direction which was being given by the Congress General Secretary of the organization, Mr. K.C. Venugopal, to hold a nationwide protest against the charge sheet which is being filed by the Enforcement Directorate against Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, and it was being supposed that there will be a huge protest which was scheduled here at the AICC headquarters. But in fact, it is the reality that the workers turnout is very less in numbers as compared to the media persons and the security personnel who are being present here. We have been joined by the Congress party's member as well, Mr. Jagdish Sharma. सर, आपसे बात करना चाहेंगे कि ये इतना बड़ा प्रोटेस्ट होने वाला था, 10 बजे का टाइम था, लेकिन अभी भी अगर नंबर की बात करें तो कहीं ना कहीं कांग्रेस वर्कर्स उतने बड़ी संख्या में यहाँ पर इकट्ठे नहीं हुए हैं। क्या वजह है इसकी?
देखिए, आपने देखा थोड़ी देर पहले इतनी पुलिस थी, सब लगा दिया, बंद कर दिया, आने नहीं दे रहे अंदर और रोक रहे हैं। और पूरे देश में प्रोटेस्ट है। दिल्ली वाले दिल्ली में करेंगे, हर स्टेट में ईडी और बीजेपी को घेरेंगे। लोग आ रहे हैं पर सरकार आने नहीं दे रही है। सरकार चारों तरफ से गला घोटना चाह रही है कांग्रेस पार्टी का, गांधी परिवार का, झूठे आरोप में फंसा रही है। सबको पता कि कुछ नहीं है, पहले भी इतना ड्रामा करा। कहीं ना कहीं वक्फ बोर्ड का जो हमला है उसको रोकने की कोशिश, जो मणिपुर की तरह भारत चल रहा है, सरकार फेल होगी उसको बचाने में। तो रॉबर्ट वाड्रा, प्रियंका गांधी, नेशनल हेरल्ड सब याद आएगा। 12 साल हो गए हजूर आते आते, अब तो शर्म करो, अब तक कुछ मिला नहीं है। और कोर्ट कहता है सबूत लाओ, वहां सबूत नहीं देते, ड्रामा करते हैं। और ये ड्रामा कब तक चलेगा हम देखना चाहते हैं।
लेकिन बीजेपी कह रही है कि जो कानून है वो अपना काम कर रहा है। अगर उनके खिलाफ में इस तरीके से जो फैक्ट सामने आए हैं, जो 600 करोड़ की जो प्रॉपर्टीज है उसको लेकर जो सवाल अगर खड़े हो रहे हैं, तो इन्वेस्टिगेशन करवाने में आखिर क्या हर्ज है? क्यों आखिर सवाल खड़े करिए?
मेरा नेता राहुल गांधी कहता है देश में 2 कानून है, गरीब और शरीफ के अलग और पैसे वालों के अलग, मोदी के लिए अलग। वो कानून वहां कहां, जब अडानी जैसे लोग हजारों करोड़ रुपए लेते हैं, मान लिया नरेंद्र मोदी काला धन लाऊंगा, देश लूट रहा, देश बिक रहा, कानून कहां है? वो ईडी कहां है? क्यों नहीं जाती जैसा के पास जहां इतना धन लेके बैठे हैं, रातों रात 100 करोड़ का 2000 करोड़ बना देते हैं। ईडी आंख मीच के बैठे, ईडी की मजबूरी मैं समझता हूं। सरकार जिस तरह से भेदभाव की भावना से करे, संविधान का अपमान करे, कहा था शपथ लेते हुए हम द्वेष की भावना से काम नहीं करेंगे, हो कह रहा है धर्म की राजनीति नहीं करेंगे, वही हो रही है। संविधान का अपमान भारतीय जनता पार्टी और मोदी सरकार उड़ा। पूरे देश को पता है, जज हो, किसान हो, महिला हो, नौजवानों, सब लाचार और मजबूर है। सब डरे डरे से हैं।
That you have heard that this is the voice within the Congress party. I would also like to show you the visuals here at the AICC headquarters. Let us go across to some of the protesters who are being present here. As you can see in the visuals as well, that how they are continuously raising slogans against the BJP government, against Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and just now, in a short while from now, many of the member of parliament are also expected to arrive here at the AICC headquarters. Just now, the Congress in charge of Kerala, Ms. Deepadash Munshi, has also arrived here at the AICC headquarters. It might be expected that Imran Pratapgarhi, Sachin Pilot and other senior leaders of the Congress party may also participate in this particular protest. As apart from that, in fact, it is NSUI which is going to hold a separate protest outside the ED headquarters in the national capital, because it was a clear direction which was being given by the Congress General Secretary of Organization, Mr. K.C. Venugopal, to all the state units to hold a protest outside the ED offices, because the Congress party is alleging that this is the intimidation which the BJP government is trying to do to suppress the voice of the opposition leaders, and that is the only reason why the Enforcement Directorate has filed a charge sheet against Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi. The Congress party is also considering to take the legal course of action regarding this entire matter, because yesterday only we have seen that how the senior advocate and the Rajya Sabha MP of the Congress party, Mr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi, had given a video statement in which he had mentioned that there was no transfer of money which was being done, and it is an irrelevant case which is being raised by the BJP just to suppress the voice of the opposition, but we will take the appropriate action in this regard. So clearly we are going to see that there will be some kind of action which will be taken by the Congress party as the legal course is concerned, but as of now it is the Congress party which is fighting on the streets, because they are saying that this is a blatant misuse of power by the BJP government, and that is the only reason why all these investigative agencies, whether it is ED or CBI or income tax, that is being used against the opposition leaders only. Back to you.
Well, Nyamika, are they planning to move towards, as far as the ED office, to plan with their protest there? Because for now it seems that the Congress workers and Karyakartas are just restricted to the main office.
Well, yes, indeed. As of now, they are only gathered here at the AICC headquarters. These are the some of the Congress workers only who have gathered here. They are raising slogans, but till now there is no senior leader who has arrived here at the AICC headquarters to participate in this protest, and that is the only reason why this protest was being delayed, because it was scheduled to be held at 10 o'clock in the morning, but now till now there is no senior leader which has arrived here at the AICC, and that is why they are right now waiting for them to arrive here, because they were being given instructions by the top leadership of the Congress party to march towards the ED office, because this protest was scheduled to take place in front of the ED office only. All the state units have been asked by the
So on
Congress
part of the Congress party calling